If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos photographers. Today we are talking for our Monday Weekly Challenge about motion. And what type of motion are we talking about? I'm going to leave this up a little bit to you, but it's going to be focused on capturing an action. Maybe that's sports, maybe that's pouring a drink. We had a coffee cup as one of our challenges. I didn't include coffee in that, but we left that challenge kind of open as far as being able to add something to that shot or not, an artistic license ability there. But in today's challenge for this week, I'm going to suggest that you just take a motion, whether it's someone speaking motion or the motion of transit. One of the thoughts that came to my mind when thinking about this Monday challenge, I took a shot of a high-speed transit vehicle, and it's on rails. So I wanted to try my hand at branding that type of action because it is high speed, to showcase the brand of that transit company and also include the identification of what train it was. So I sat up near the railroad tracks and I had my camera in my hand and I did my very best because I didn't have my tripod with me. I set up and I could see about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles down the track. And so I was able to identify when trains were coming. But I also strategically chose the place that I was, not just to be able to see how far down the track the train was coming, but I knew that the train would be slowing down near the station. So rather than dealing with the high speed of train at the 70, 80 miles per hour it would travel, I chose to shoot nearer the station where it was slowing down, but I could still capture the motion. So I hope that helps you as a tip for this Monday challenge to give you an idea of how and where, when to plan your shot so that you can still capture the motion and give the idea of the high-speed rail transit if that's what you're going for. But maybe that'll give you an idea for your shot as to be able to how, when, and what speed to time your specific shot as well. So thank you so much for watching, and leave us a comment down below and let us know how this video content has added value to your photography. Give us a thumbs like. Give us a thumbs like. That doesn't make sense. Thumbs up. Like the video so that other people can watch it too. It'll be suggested to them if this video has added content to your photography. But if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription. Thank you so much. God bless.